Hei hi Akaswani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu si lian sang puya Mizo hun sang sanga kang mai ven hapta sang ni somni panga mantran ani Rulhut hlo pek be puithak na National Deworming Day sang ni somni panga chu Mizorama man ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuni thum cham turin friends khopuin pre Paris atheng Union Jal Shakti Minister CR Patil chuan Swachh Bharat Rural Noya in here na ek in Bible cha som phani siamani awangin no pangnoi thum nu na chan himani ati Mizoram hun sang sanga kang mai ven hapta sangni somni panga man chanani a kang mai ven hapta hi nimin khan Aizawl a chuan wanapa hola poichal eng moya commissioner and secretary chuan man puin ram kang tur ven chu mitin mo phona ani thule chumi ta na ngai to na sen pui turin kal khom te soma ram kang chu khovel pum har chat na ani thule chumi awanga ram sang point kang mai ven him na thok tu te pula ni serbik an man thin dan te ta langa nungcha le ram ngo ba ka boruak te ven him chu mitin ten khole tui thani tur an mo phona ani thu soin Mizoram chu Indiaram state te zinga ziak le cher thiam tamna ani angin dan jom konga enton tlak ni tura be se ani thu soya kang mai ven konga department holak na soin kal khom de chu kang mai ven konga mi pui wan tang zirtin thale zual om theina tura ngai to na sen pui tur na som ngal ani Fire Prevention Week hi district danga po man ni in champhaya chuan Bethel venga kang mai ven hapta sani somni panga hon in khom man ani a champhai borsa puviel rem rena chuan kang mai ven hapta hi hongani he heuna talan ani danin Mizoram Sarkar Environment Forest and Climate Change Department ni chinchhe danim kumsani somni puli chungin ram kang sangthum zaruk som pani omin ram hectare sangthum zakwa som pasari point pasari pali azawa kanga heng zinga zale sompuruk chu ramngo kang ni in hectare somko pali point panga zawa kanga abak sangthum zali somko puruk chu lo hal kai hnoi ni in hectare sangthum zari somni pathum point pani pali zawa kang ani sersi pa chuan DC Pupol El Khuma Sersip District Fire Prevention Committee Chairman ni bok chuam new Sersip we me hola program bot fire prevention week honga DC chuan khorel chena awangin kang mai chuak ve bok thin ma se in kang le ram kang za somko pakua hi in nei tu te ramkal te huan lo nei tu te an film khur tol uwanga ni ti a kang mai chualo nan mitin in mo an phurani ati kal khom ten kang mai veng tur thutiam an chama ser chief saphet kutars OM president Pukol Troman akai shuai a tu seina huna manghal bok ani mamida chuan chimveng wai me hola DC Pukil Tomlova chairman district level committee on fire prevention chuan aman puya Pukil Tomlova chuan DLCFP in ma alulak ton te chu fa committee thu sein tuna man tur fire prevention week a malak zel tura po du sakna hlana tlomngai polte zirlai le wantlang mi puite nen tangruala thei top cho turin nge na Mizo tlomngai na hrenga mason tuma thok turin acha ani Longka district a chuan advisor to chief minister Dr. Lorraine Lalpek ni chinza chuan man puin ram kang chuan thingle mau ba ka ram sale nungcha te chena ati cherewa leilungin a hana hlovin tuina na sataka ti kemin om thina atur tu zinga mishing te pontel thina ni ti a Mizoram ram kang tamjok chu mishing te wanga chhuak ani ti tar langin hei hian film khura tul zia ti lang chiang hliani ati bok Saito district a chuan DC Dr. Lalngur taw chuan ram changkang a piangin an ram ngai hluna chang an hriat ti sen Mizo te point nei turil rupuin ram hum halin kang melaka ve ni matula ti a kang mai chu thunun ani chuan thil tangkai takani rolin thunun lowa om chuan thil hlom takle chena tam tak thina hial po thlen theitu ani ti asoi ani State chunga Village Council VC le Local Council LC in Thanatan campaign hun chinimin taida li khan kharani a silent period man mekani State Election Commissioner Dr. Aizawl thangle na chuam in thang turin engkim peifele to ati a VCLC in than vote thak hi nilai ni ni so bani khian nei turani a vote nei zong te ri luthiang him takpuwa vote thak theu turin som ani
silent period in campaign hi khap pania hemi chung hian campaign reng mi na lu te public meeting ang chi te vote turami thlem reng te hi phal ani lova hetiang ati na san hi voter ten ril thiang hlim taka an ngai tuana an man thena turata na ti ani voter te vote nei an yang nge ya ni som pani a hian vote thak turin kan han ngen du chewa vote thak khoni jing dar sare tanga tlai dar li in kara ani a thinlung thiang hlim tak ril thiang hlim tak puwa vote kan nei te thak ngei turin kan in ngen ani
Pula thangin na chuan MPF le NGO sang tenen an thohuna thata wang le Mizoram puite an changkan wang ba ka tulova in be an chin lo wangin in than monom tak nei ani thin thu akaswani correspondent shila tun LCVC in thantura hian personal election duty le voter 10 an roll olsam takan en theinan ECI website da ani don ba ka vote ta te arwala chiar tumani ti a hei hi Mizorama anti voi khana tur ani tuntuma vote la te hi zandar se changa chiar tan turani a vote thak chat ngai omani chuan ni som pathum ni nga nia thak le tur ni in ni som pathum vek zandar sri hnulama vote thak chat ngai te chu chiar le ngal turani bokang Chanchinthar te chu ni som police zir top nia in simrem man tur ni in ni som panga in rin nia in khan mor bok ani ang nau pang kum khata changa kum som pako in karten rule hut an pilot na tra rule hut hlo pek be puile rule hut in ngong thalo te in zeti na hun National Deworming Day NDD sani somni panga chumizoram manani a CMO Aizawl East District chu National Deworming Day February rounds sani somni panga chu zarkot anganodi center honna hunan manga anganodi nau pangte rule hlo etir anni he rule hlo pek be pui thak hian rule hut awanga nau pangti sen ta chamle riselo na sang awanga anjir lai har sadna than thei tur ti bawa tuma he hun hi women and child le education department staff tele zarkot MHEP hruai tu tenen tel puyani champhai chuan borsa puvial rem le na chuan India sarkar kalphung chumi puite zelen na nek chep tu nilovim mi puite ma khuang ngai ro mana siam thin tu ani ti a sikul no pangte sarkar ro mana te chortang ka ya ma son ata na lo mang zel turina cha a puvial rem le na chur selna thado chuan hlotlin na chan har thina ti a Zilai de chu an taksa uluk taka vonga hrisel na ngai poi motorina cha a hemi konga hian zilai de chu mithiam te thu pom thiama zom tum thau turina cha ani Khozol district a chuan government Little Flower School a borsa poke vanal thiana hova man ni a kholen chuan na pangkum khata tanga kum som pok in karen ru hlo kim takin avek se du thu soya Khozol district chunga na pangten kim takarul hu hlo ane thinan NGO sang te po atulna pianga mala turina ngen thu soi bok ani National Deworming Day sani somni panga thokhat na hi ni som pasiri thleng nei turani a mi hun chung hian district chunga zirna in sang aru hlo hovin e ni dona zirna ina injelu lo te chu a saten an ina kalchilin an pedona ai turten an eveka tuma mai anam lo na athual non na mop up day hi don thani som pasiri ne le turani a National Deworming Day thoni ni August tha ne le tur ani ang Chanchinthar hi Akaswani Aizawl tanga puan ani a AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le news on air.gov.in te Chanchinthar ring thlang le chiar theda ani voin chanudar ni le chan via Chanchinthar hi puan le ani ang Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan ni thum cham turin zan khan France khopui Paris thleng Prime Minister Modi hi French Minister of the Armed Forces Sebastian Lecornu chuan airport a alo muaka Paris khopuya India mitan him takin alo lombok ani Prime Minister chuan Paris aro pui takalo lomani thu social media tar langa India mitan an lomna lom thu sen an hlotin na achuang hleni atibok nizan ve khan Prime Minister Modi hi French President Emmanuel Macron chuan zanre bo se sak ani Prime Minister Modi hian voina AI Action Summit a huna mangdona President Macron nen an kom don baka India France inach na chungchang te asoi pui dona Modi hian Marcel khopui atlo don boka Indian Consulate masaber a hongdon ani hebakhan International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor Project atlonga Margis War Cemetery a Indian sipai indo pui pakhana le pani na thi ta shereng na hun amang bokang kan correspondent report ilong thak chunjumang u
The most important event of the Prime Minister Modi's visit is the AI summit, where Prime Minister is going to co-chair the summit along with the President Emmanuel Macron. World leaders, policymakers, CEOs from over 100 countries are participating in this summit, and as we know that AI is changing every sector, and at the same time it is creating some issues, and people are concerned about job losses, privacy, fundamental rights, and inherent bias of AI. So this summit, the leaders are deliberating upon the ethical, responsible development of AI, and also they are deliberating for the global governance framework for the AI. Actually, there is a leaders' declaration also expected from this summit. And apart from this AI summit, on the silence of this summit, Prime Minister is holding bilateral meetings. Only as of now, this meeting with Estonia is confirmed. And there is high chances Prime Minister will be meeting US Vice President J.D. Vance also, but it is not confirmed yet. And after this summit and bilateral meeting, Prime Minister is visiting Marseille to inaugurate the new consular office. And after that, he is visiting the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, where he is visiting along with the French President Emmanuel Macron. And he is also visiting the war cemetery of Indian soldiers who sacrificed in the World War I and II.
Union Jal Secretary Minister C.R. Patil chuan Swaz Bharat Rural Noya in thierna ek inviable sa sompani siamani wangin naupang noi thum nuna chan himani ati nimina Rajya Sabha zobel changin Union Minister Patil chuan Swaz Bharat Mission Noya in zetina kalpi wangin mi viable sa sari chuangte ek in manna chang an hriat pha thu asoibok ani Chanchinthar CRT topnat atang pui Mizo ram hun sang sanga kang mai ven hapta sang ni somni panga man tanani rul hut lo pek be pui thlang na National Warming Day sang ni somni panga chu Mizo ram man ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi son ni thum cham turin friends ko pui Paris a thleng Union Jal Secretary Minister C.R. Patil chu Swaz Bharat Rural Noya in thierna ek in viable sompani siamani wangin no pang noi thum nuna chan himani ati chu ti jong chu Chanchinthar kan pon thei chu ani